In this video, I'll show you how to set up your work email with your Outlook. So you have an email address and now you want to add the email account in your Outlook. Here's how to do it. So first of all, go to your Outlook and click on File. And here you have to click on Add Account. And now in this email address box, all you have to need, write your work email address that you want to add to your Outlook. And just click on Connect. And here click on Next. And now here you have to add your email address password. And click on Next. And here scroll down and just click on Allow. And as you can see, my email address is adding into my Outlook. And here you can see account successfully added. Now just click on Done. And here we can see the account added. And now from your Outlook, you can easily use your work email address. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.